If your Facebook account is no longer secured, or someone is using your Facebook account without your permission, and you are thinking how you can be able to change your password, don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I shall walk you through on how you can be able to change your password as well secure it step by step. Just make sure you stick around till the end of this video and follow my instructions so that you don't make a mistake. If you found this information useful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like it and share it to your friends and loved ones.
I will show you how you can achieve that both on your computer and your smartphone. Make sure you are using Facebook app for this process. And importantly, requirement for this process is your current password. But don't worry if you have forgotten your password. At the end of this video, I will show you where you can see it in just a minute. Alright, go to your Facebook account and click on your profile picture icon. Click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Go to Password and Security. Click on Change Password. Click on your account icon. Enter your current password here. Enter your new password and retype your new password. And come and click Change Password. That is all. Let me show you how you can do that on your mobile phone. Open your Facebook app. Click on your menu icon. Scroll down to Settings. Under Setting and Privacy, go to Password and Security. Click Change Password. Enter your current password here. Enter your new password here. Retype it and click Save Changes. Let me show you how you can be able to see your password.
If you encounter any challenges on the instructions so far, leave your comment and question at the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video.
Go to your phone's setting. Scroll down and click Google. Scroll down to the last option. Click Password Manager. And click Google Password Manager. You can see I have many accounts there that is being saved. Click on facebook.com. Enter your screen lock here. That is where all my Facebook password are being stored on Google. Click on the eye icon to view it, or click on the copy. You just copy it and go straight. Go back to your Facebook account to paste it there.
I hope you liked the video. Leave your comment or your question at the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.